So what's up? What's going on, everybody? It's JA, and for today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at the 2002 R Refined Future Black and Gray by New Balance. So this pair recently released in China, retail $170, and if I had to guess, I would expect the US release date to be coming up very soon. So the Refined Future, or protection pack, gets its nickname from the rough suede patches that you see throughout the upper of this shoe, as well as the deconstructed tongue. So the New Balance 2002 originally made its debut back in 2010. Now, at the time, this sneaker was marketed as a premium running shoe. It came from their Made in USA line and retailed at $250. Then, in 2020, New Balance brought these back, but ditched the full gel sole for the updated 860 V2 sole, which is much lighter. They dropped the retail, did a few hype collaborations, but then in 2021, when they dropped the first protection pack colorways, it was a game changer for the silhouette, and things haven't been the same since. So this new colorway for the 2002 R boasts a breathable mesh base in black with ripped up premium pig suede overlays in matching black and gray throughout to help give off an overall rugged aesthetic. The pair's grayscale look continues on the heel counter and outsole, while contrasting hits of red arrive on the 2002 R branding. Down below is a bright red Energy branded sole unit. So on feet, these joints feel great. If you're used to wearing Adidas or Nike sneakers, this pair features a wider cut, so they're much more comfortable on feet. Also, you got these absorbed shocks in the back, which add to the stability. And in terms of sizing, definitely go true to size. Pick these up in my 10.5. They feel great. Do not half size up. So in terms of the colorway, this pair is part of the classic New Balance gray scale. So it makes this sneaker very wearable. You can rock this with just about anything. And I like the fact that the protection pack features that distressed look, which kind of elevates the look, gives it a little flair than just your typical standard New Balance sneaker. So I love what New Balance has done with the 2002 R, updating the sole, making it a lot more affordable. The 2002 is definitely one of the better looking silhouettes. I feel like they closely resemble the 990 V3 or the 1906 R as some of the most trendy and popular models from New Balance. I feel like the distressed look elevates this sneaker as well as with the distressed tongue. So shout out to Virgil, RIP. In my opinion, this is a great looking sneaker. If I had to make a couple of small minor complaints, I'm not a fan how they added this Energy branding right here on the end. In my opinion, they could do without that. I mean, they could even do without the entire N altogether. I feel like logos and branding has just become more and more played out over the years, so I'm not sure why they had to add that little touch to it. And another little small complaint I have is the white inner sock liner. I just hate the fact that this white just gets dirty so fast, especially if you rock these like with a pair of black socks or something. It's instantly gonna stain this. So just a small minor gripe, but other than that, I give these the stamp of approval. One of the best releases I feel like of 2023 so far. The 2002 R Refined Future Black and Gray. So get in the comments, let me know if you guys are digging these or not. Once again, they dropped in Asia, so I'm not sure when the US release date will be coming up, but expect these to drop very soon. There's also a couple of other colorways to choose from. And I feel like once these do drop, they shouldn't be too difficult to cop most of the time. You know, with sneakers like this, they'll be up available, but eventually they will sell out over time, so do not sleep. So let me know what you guys think. Are these a cop or a drop for you? Salute to everybody for tuning in. I'm JA. Make sure you guys stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Love.